Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Old Harbour and we are giving you a tour of the new Old Harbour Medical Center. Now the government is upgrading the medical facilities across Jamaica. The University Hospital, Spanish Town Hospital, KPH, Cornwall Regional, Maypen, almost every hospital is getting a major upgrade. And they're also working on the health centers. The St. Jago Health Center in Spanish Town is being rebuilt. And out here in Old Harbour, they are spending $1 billion to upgrade this medical center. So we are going to give you more information on what's happening here. A major healthcare development is taking shape in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, as construction of the new Old Harbour Comprehensive Health Center moves closer to completion. The facility located on East Street is approximately 95% complete and is expected to begin phased operations during the final quarter of 2026. The project represents an investment of almost $1 billion and is being developed to provide significantly more healthcare capacity for Old Harbour and surrounding communities. The investment includes the construction of the facility, medical equipment, furniture, and an on-site wastewater treatment system. The new health center covers approximately 2,000 square meters and is being built to replace the existing health center, which has become increasingly inadequate for the needs of a growing population. The facility is designed to accommodate as many as 10,000 patients per month, potentially reducing the need for residents to travel elsewhere for basic and specialized healthcare services. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.